That's awesome. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I wanted to just start by saying how expensive everything is right now. Fuel is through the roof. Currently we're paying somewhere in the region of £2 a litre, and in real money that works out to £10 a gallon, so roughly $12 a gallon for gas. How scary is that? Also, food's going up massively. The cost of living, energy is just climbing existentially, if that is even a word. You know, we've just come out of Brexit a few years back. Then we got hit by COVID, so a second reason for a price rise. And then of course we've got the situation in Ukraine now, which is a third and the major reason for the price rises, and all the sanctions that were put on Russia probably having little effect, if any, on the leaders of Russia, because they're not affected by it. It's the people that, you know, are unable to get food, unable to get supplies there, but the leaders aren't going to do anything about it because they don't care. The fact of the matter is we're being hit by the sanctions more than anything else, because nothing that would normally be imported from Russia is being imported. Gas and fuel and, you know, tyre prices are going up because black carbon that is used to make tyres is mostly mined or found in Russia, and things like all the chemicals and things needed for batteries to make electric battery cars, most of that is mined in Russia. So I've got myself in an opinion now that there's no point fighting it. It's like anal sex, the more you struggle the more it's going to hurt. So it's just a case now of accepting the fact that we are going to have to spend an awful lot more money on the day-to-day things that we take for granted. The sad state of affairs, and things like hobbies, for instance riding a motorbike, might take second place to more important things these days, because you might not be able to afford to waste money. And I say waste money because in reality, if your bike is just a hobby, you're wasting money by going out on the bike, unless of course it gives you a sense of satisfaction and helps your mental well-being, in which case it's an essential. But yeah, it's all getting a bit scary and a bit expensive. So enjoy things while we can, people. That's the message now, really, isn't it? Cows. Enjoy things while you can. Enjoy the summer while we can. Try and do things that don't cost money. But then again, we run the risk of all the businesses that have worked so hard to climb back from the, you know, the mire that was COVID. And now all of a sudden people are being told to tighten their purse strings because they need to pay extra just to heat the house and to keep the lights turned on and buy fuel so that they can get to work and back. So it's a proper catch-22 system. Stay at home, don't spend money, but all the businesses that need you to go out and spend money are then going to struggle massively. So anybody out there that's got the golden bullet or the perfect answer, please comment below, because I think a lot of people would be more than happy to hear. I have spent money recently, and I've spent a fair bit of money recently on bobhead stuff, bobhead clothing. And I blame Daniel Hayes, aka $1 Million Bogan, and his British tour, and the fact that Bobhead clothing is such good quality at such good prices that it seems silly not to buy it. Recommend you have a look, and I'm not sponsored by them. I don't take any backhanders. The only contact I've had from them is when I put my order in for the clothing. But the clothing is actually in exceptional quality. Exceptional quality. And you're not paying through the nose for it either. That's my money saving tip today, cows. What a glorious ride out over the Mendips today. Right, well, short and sweet. I'll leave you be. Take care, everyone, and I'll catch you on the flip side.